Good morning, everyone. It's another hot summer day in South Texas. Today we're gonna be doing two desks for my sons for back to school. So I bought some 2 by 6 by 8 foot. I'm gonna cut them up into feet long. All right, now that I got them all cut up, I'm gonna go ahead and sand them down. now that I have the top part done, now I gotta do the legs. So I'm gonna cut these up at 26 inches, and then the top layer with that will be about 28 inches tall in total. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so all day long is what it seemed like. The wife asked me to do 2 desks for my kids back to school. Um, yeah, so here's the final product. I'm gonna leave them in the garage, excuse the mess, but yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm new to all of this, but still learning from the process, right? Like I mentioned before, I've never done any kind of woodwork. I just picked up this habit during this pandemic that we're going through. But do me a favor, guys. So go ahead and hit the like button if you like this, and subscribe to more videos like this. I'm posting videos similar to this almost on a weekly basis. So yeah, so just hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that way you know when I upload the next video. All right, guys. Well, thank you for your time.